Mga lakwas pasiklangan ng industriya ng hospitality, particular king Luzon. Misanmetung niya ang Best Western ating Savers Group Holdings. Kaya katayang pakibaluan ng detalye king report ng Patricia Mamang.
Meto nga maragula takbang king industriya ning turismo at hospitality ing formala pamisan metong ning global hotel brand Best Western International at homegrown business giant Savers Group Holdings kapamilatan ning developer agreement signing inyang July 7 king Ciudad Angeles. Bilang official developer partner ng Best Western king Pilipinas, mika exclusive rights siya ing Savers Group bang manintun at sumawop ka ring hotel abisang i-upgrade o makipag-affiliate king nanumang Best Western brands.
We actually signed the ADO. Savers Group is now the official developer for Best Western International. So when future prospects are interested in becoming a part of the Best Western family, they'll be talking to us.
Layo ning partnership, ing palawakan ning presensya ning Best Western king Pilipinas, lakwas na kareng booming areas kalupanan ning Clark, Subic, Metro Manila at aliwa pang key destinations.
Partner with them, as we already have 10 years of experience in Best Western, we'll be able to bring into the table Best Western as being one of the competitive hotels here in the Philippines.
Ing bayong partnership, asahan niya namang makasahop, muking pamanangat ning hospitality standards, nune pati na rin king pamagpasiknang ning regional tourism at ekonomiya king bansa. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang totoo king Balen, susuyo.